How to change Valorant password. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can change Valorant password or how you can change your Riot account password. Now basically changing your Valorant password means changing your Riot account password. Now what you want to do is you want to head into your browser in any of your device, whether on your phone or MacBook or your PC. Here you can see I'm on my browser. You want to search in for Riot account or Riot Games, and you want to head into the official web page of Riot Games. Now simply tap on the first link available. Once here, you'll get an interface somewhat like this, as you can see on the screen. Make sure to log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll get an interface like this. What you want to do is you want to tap on the three horizontal line icon at the top right corner of your screen. Simply tap on it there, and what you want to do is you'll find your username at the bottom. Simply tap on it again, and here you want to head into settings option. Once you tap on settings, you'll be headed to another page here, and you'll find various options. You can see personal information and such. Tap on the profile or Riot ID icon. You can see Riot ID option there, and you want to tap on the arrow icon there. You'll find various options: personal information, Riot account sign in. Simply tap on Riot account sign in option. Once you do so, it'll take you to this page where you can see it'll ask you to enter your username. You'll have to enter your username, and you'll have to enter your new password and confirm your new password and tap on save changes, and you'll be able to change your password. So this way you can change your Valorant password or change your Riot account password. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.